Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some micro fishing at the creek we always fish at, but it's a lot different from last time I fished here. And here it is. As you can see, there's like no water, but these little pools of water have lots of sunfish, and there is a lot bigger pools than this. This is just one of the small ones. I'm going to be showing you my favorite lure for fishing shallow creeks. We're going to see if we can try to catch some small bass, green sunfish, bluegill, pumpkin seed, anything that is in here that will bite, pretty much. But it's gone down a lot, and it's usually not this low at this time of the year, but we haven't had rain for a while. Well, if we did get rain, it wasn't very much at all. So we're going to go ahead and start fishing, and I'll show you what I'm using. Okay, here's our first spot. This is the spot I fished my last video, and I caught the rock bass right here. Well, there's water here, but this looks pretty good, and let's see if we can catch some fish. Got one. That's actually decent, that bass. Oh, he came off. That was first cast. Oh, got one. Oh, another nice bass. Well, for this water. There he is. Oh, smallmouth. So here's what I'm using. This little crawdad crankbait. It's like has perfect size hooks for these little fish, and a really good thing about it, it's only $1. It's a cream, I think it's just a cream craw crankbait, something like that. You can just get them at Walmart. They're in that little box. And there is some like jerk baits and little crankbaits, but those, they don't work as good as the craw. Like, they just kind of fall to the side and don't swim very good. But here's the first one. Oh, there he goes. The only thing about this that I don't like is sometimes the hooks get attached together, and yeah, just like that. But all you have to do is just hold them both down and push one up, and it comes off. But first and second cast, I caught a bass, so I'm sure I'm gonna catch a lot more in here. Got another one. That's so fun. Oh, that's a little Kentucky. Look at that. Oh my goodness, why do they do that? There goes that one. 3 casts in a row so far. Caught a bass. Oh my goodness. I hope you saw that. What is this? This bluegill hit it as soon as it hit the water. Oh, look at that. Look at how that hook got in there. There he is. Don't flop out. He has some little bruises over there. It's third fish. 4 casts in a row. 4 fish. Well, one came off, but I think this is probably the best micro shallow creek fishing lure. Well, the best one I've ever used. And it's only $1, so if you lose it, it's not that big of a deal. And it only goes about a foot deep. That's perfect for this creek when the water is this low. Also, I haven't posted in like 3 weeks because we lost the SD card reader for the computer I edit my videos on, so I couldn't edit at all. But we just found it, so now I can make more videos. Oh, got one. It's a bass. Oh, that thing is chunky. Whenever the creek goes down, and there's just these little holes, whoa, all the crawdads and bait fish all get pushed down into that hole, so then those bass can just don't have to work so hard. No, they don't have to work that hard to catch food. Man, these little bass, as soon as you get them hooked, they know it because they just start shaking. He's been eating good. Look at that guy. So we're gonna go ahead and let him go. This water is super clear too, so you can see him. There he goes. I just cast right in front of that brush pile, and I saw him come up and swipe at it before I started reeling. Then when I started reeling, he came back at it and got it. I don't know if I explained that very well at the start, but the brand of this is Cream Lures. And it's only $1, and you can get them at Walmart. And there's a few different colors, but this one is the most realistic looking one. Like there's some that have, I was pretty sure there was one that had like chartreuse on the bottom, but this one has orange. So I'm pretty sure it was the most realistic one, and it works pretty good. Oh, got one. Got something. What is that? Green sunfish? Yep. Not a very big one. Second fish out of this hole. We're gonna let him go. Whoa. Oh, got one. Is that? Yes. I just wanted to catch one of these. This actually looks different than what we usually catch, but comment down below what you think this is. I first thought it was a pumpkin seed, but now I'm thinking it might be a red ear, what is that? A long ear sunfish. It has a little hump there. I'm not sure what that's from. Oh, it has a wound right there. But this one looks more like a pumpkin seed than the bigger ones. The bigger ones look more like long ear sunfish. So hopefully I can catch one of those to show you. We're gonna let him go. But yeah, comment down below what you think this is. Yes, there we go. What is that? That's a bass. Tiny one. Oh, that guy's kind of bleeding, but look how small that guy is. Get him back in the water fast. I was expecting a little bit of a bigger fish around this fallen tree. Fish, green sunfish. Not very big, but he's really healthy. Let's go ahead and let him go. Yeah, I do got one. Thought he came off. He's just really small. Oh, another one of those pumpkin seed or oh. The little ones don't have as much color as the big ones do. There's a small one, but just let me go. Okay, so here's the spot I was wanting to fish. It's probably biggest body of water in this creek right now, or this part of the creek. And look how clear it is. You can see all the way to the bottom. But right on the other side of this log, right on the other side of this log, there's usually a lot of green sunfish. So we're gonna try to catch one. Oh, that's a bass. 2 bass. Come on. There's a lot of bluegill, only about 2 inches long. Wow, there is a big school of them. Oh, I do have one, yes. Tiny bluegill. First fish in this big deep hole, and just a small bluegill. Okay guys, so my GoPro just overheated about 15 minutes ago. So I was letting it cool down so I could use it again. And while I was waiting, I caught this, probably the biggest bass of the day. Pretty healthy. I just caught him right over there, right where that shade is. He came out over there. Pretty nice one. And one of my favorite reasons when fishing clear water is seeing the bass eat the lure. It's so cool. But here he is. We're gonna let him go. There he goes. So I'm gonna cast there a few more times, and then I'm gonna end the video because my GoPro is on 9% battery. So this might not be the best shallow creek fishing, shallow creek lure, because one, the hooks get attached together like every 2 casts, but sometimes you can just shake it and they'll come undone. For only $1, it's pretty good. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. I just ended the video and caught this pretty nice sunfish. Look at all the fish down there. There's a bass with them. There's a bunch of bluegill and a bass. And this one pretty nice green sunfish. Well, nicest one of the day for the little ones we've been catching. I thought it was a bass coming after it, but it was green sunfish. There he goes. Let's see if we can catch that bass. Oh my goodness. Not a very big one. Look at it. Oh, he came off. That might have been the biggest one. There's a little school of fish out there. He came right towards it. I'm trying to tie my drag because it was loose and he bit it.